Is there any reason to think that the succession means any changes to the company's overall view that we're eventually headed into a smokeless world?
No, not at all. I think a vision of the company that we want to leave the smoking well behind us for the benefit of the company, stakeholders, smokers, society as large stays there. I mean, I've been working with Andrei Kalantzopoulos since the beginning of these transformations, hand in hand. I mean, we share the same visions, we develop, design the strategies, and I'm very glad that he will retain within the Philip Morris family as executive chairman as of May. Support of the board is very important, and we just go, as always, full steam into, as I said earlier, leave the smoking behind us, solve the problem of smoking once and forever and for good.
I'm curious to know how you see policy incentives moving that along, accelerating the change in consumer behavior. And I'm also curious to know what this latest FDA approval means for IQOS.
Well, FDA approval for IQOS, both the modified risk tobacco product authorizations and a PMTA, which is just a technical term for the one of the version of IQOS, are very important. Is the testimony that the science, the evidence which we have provided behind the device, behind the system, is meeting the FDA standards. These are the highest standards which you can see on any international market. So we are very proud, of the efforts which we have taken for so many years are bringing the fruits, that the regulator is comfortable in authorizing an IQOS from the perspective of promoting the public health. I think it's for us. I mean, it's very encouraging that we're making that progress. Obviously, the regulations in the different markets are at a different level. The way we see this whole thing, that, consumer smokers, adult smokers, they will have to have an access to information about the product. So there is obviously regulatory space. When the regulators can create that space, then the people have an access to information. They need to have an access to the product. And obviously, as many governments in many countries recognize, there's also the question from a economic accessibility of the product. I mean, we took quite a lot of effort that our systems are sold at affordable prices, but obviously this product in many jurisdictions is enjoying a lower taxation than the regular cigarettes, which I think makes perfect sense, perfect logic, because the better product should enjoy the lower tax burden than the product which is, definitely more harmful, like cigarettes.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.